Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Slides for beginners step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Slides and click Blank Presentation to create a new presentation. Once your presentation opens, click Untitled Presentation at the top and give your presentation a name. Now click to add title and enter your presentation title. If you want, you can also add a subtitle below it. Next, let's create another slide. Click the plus button on the toolbar, and a new slide will be added instantly. If you want to change the slide design, click Layout and select the layout that best fits your content. Now click inside a text box and start typing your content. To make your presentation more attractive, click Insert, then select Image, and upload an image from your computer. You can also click Insert, choose Shape, and add different shapes to your slide. If you'd like to give your presentation a professional look, click Theme and choose the design you like best. To customize the slide background, click Background and select a color or image. After adding your content, drag the text boxes and images to arrange them neatly. You can also resize them using the corner handles. To make your presentation smoother, click Transition and apply a slide transition. When everything is ready, click Present in the top right corner to preview your presentation. The best part is that Google Slides automatically saves all of your changes to Google Drive, so you don't need to save your work manually, and that's all. Now you know the basics of using Google Slides, and you're ready to create your own presentations. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.